Have you ever looked in the mirror and thought, why doesn't my skin look as fresh as it used to? Maybe you've tried new serums, masks, or viral skincare hacks, but somehow the glow doesn't last. Here's the truth most people forget. Healthy skin doesn't start with how many products you use. It starts with understanding the rhythm of your skin, what it needs, when it needs it, and how to care for it with consistency and kindness. Today, I want to take you back to the foundations, the real pillars of skincare. Forget the 10-step routines or the complicated ingredient charts for a moment. If you understand just 3 steps, cleanse, treat, and protect, you can build a skincare routine that works for you, not against you. And the best part? You don't need a drawer full of products to make it happen. Just a few right choices and a little mindfulness. Let's begin with the very first step, cleansing. Now, cleansing might sound too simple, right? We all wash our faces, but most people either overdo it or don't do it properly. Cleansing is not just about removing makeup or dirt, it's about resetting your skin, allowing it to breathe again after a long day of pollution, sweat, oil, and product buildup. Think of it as a deep exhale for your skin. When you wash your face the right way, you're preparing it for everything that follows: your serum, your moisturizer, your sunscreen. A clean base means better absorption, better texture, and fewer breakouts. But here's where many people go wrong. They choose harsh cleansers thinking squeaky clean skin means healthy skin. In reality, that tight, dry feeling after washing is your skin crying for moisture. The ideal cleanser should clean without stripping. It should remove impurities gently while leaving your natural barrier intact. Your skin barrier is like the bodyguard of your face. It keeps the good stuff in, like hydration, and the bad stuff out, like bacteria and pollutants. If your cleanser damages that barrier, you'll end up in a cycle of dryness, sensitivity, and breakouts. So how do you choose the right cleanser? It depends on your skin type. If your skin feels oily by midday, go for a gentle foaming or gel-based cleanser that balances oil but doesn't dry you out. If your skin feels tight or flaky, look for a creamy, hydrating formula with ingredients like glycerin, ceramides, or hyaluronic acid. For combination skin, a lightweight gel cream cleanser works beautifully, not too drying, not too rich. And if you wear makeup or sunscreen daily, which most of us do, try double cleansing at night. It sounds fancy, but it's simple. First, use an oil-based cleanser or micellar water to dissolve makeup and SPF, then follow with your regular gentle cleanser to wash away residue. That way, your pores stay clean and your skin feels refreshed without being stripped. When you cleanse, be mindful. Don't rush it. Wet your face with lukewarm water, never hot, because hot water can irritate and dehydrate your skin. Apply the cleanser and massage in circular motions for about 30 seconds to 1 minute. Feel the texture under your fingertips. Breathe and really connect with that moment. Skincare should be self-care, not a chore. Then rinse and gently pat dry with a soft towel. Don't rub, just pat. Now here's something many people overlook. How often should you cleanse? Twice a day is ideal, once in the morning to remove oil and impurities from overnight, and once at night to remove dirt, pollution, and makeup. But if your skin feels dry or sensitive, cleansing once at night may be enough. Listen to your skin. It always tells you what it needs. Remember, your goal isn't to make your skin super clean, it's to keep it balanced. Healthy skin has a thin layer of natural oils and beneficial bacteria. Together, they form your skin's microbiome. When you over-cleanse, you disrupt that harmony. So the key is gentleness and consistency. I like to think of cleansing as the quiet hero of skincare. It doesn't get as much attention as serums or creams, but without it, nothing else works properly. If you start your day and end your night with a mindful cleanse, you're already halfway to glowing skin. All right, now that we've given your skin a clean, calm start, it's ready for the second step, treat. And this is where skincare starts to get a little more personalized, a little more interesting, because what you treat depends entirely on your skin's unique story. When your skin is freshly cleansed, it's like a blank canvas, ready to absorb whatever nourishment you give it. This is the moment when your products can truly make a difference. And that brings us to the second pillar of skincare, treat. Treating is all about giving your skin what it needs most. Think of this step as feeding your skin the nutrients it craves. For some, that means extra hydration. For others, it's balancing oil, fading dark spots, calming redness, or softening fine lines. Whatever your concern, this is where serums, essences, and active ingredients come in. But before we dive into which ingredients to use, let's understand the why behind this step. Every day, your skin goes through so much: exposure to UV rays, pollution, blue light, stress, lack of sleep, diet changes. All of these factors affect the skin at a cellular level. Treating your skin is like pressing the reset button, giving it targeted support to heal, renew, and strengthen itself. Now, I know how confusing it can feel when you're standing in front of rows of serums and seeing words like retinol, vitamin C, niacinamide, peptides, and acids. It's overwhelming, right? You don't need them all. You just need the right one or two that align with your skin's story. Let's break it down gently and clearly. If your main concern is dullness or uneven tone, your skin needs antioxidants and brightening ingredients. Vitamin C is one of the best. It helps fade dark spots, evens out pigmentation, and gives you that natural glow. It also fights free radicals, those unstable molecules that damage your skin cells over time. Apply a few drops of vitamin C serum in the morning after cleansing and before moisturizer, and you'll start noticing your skin looking more radiant with consistent use. If you struggle with acne or breakouts, look for ingredients like niacinamide, also known as vitamin B3, helps control oil production, calm redness, and strengthen your skin barrier. It's gentle yet effective, and you can use it both morning and night. Salicylic acid, on the other hand, works by cleaning deep inside your pores, perfect for acne-prone skin. But it's best to use it in moderation, maybe once a day or every other day, depending on tolerance. For dry or dehydrated skin, focus on hydrating and barrier-repairing ingredients. Hyaluronic acid is a must-have. It pulls water into your skin and keeps it plump. Layer it while your skin is slightly damp after cleansing, and then seal it in with a good moisturizer. Also look for ingredients like ceramides and squalene. They strengthen your barrier and lock in hydration. If your concern is aging, you've probably heard of retinol. Retinol is a powerhouse. It boosts collagen production, smooths fine lines, and helps improve skin texture. But it's also potent, so you must start slowly. Use it only at night, once or twice a week in the beginning, then gradually increase as your skin adjusts. And remember, if you're using retinol, you must use sunscreen every morning, no exceptions. Retinol makes your skin more sensitive to sunlight. Now, here's something important many people miss. Never start multiple new active ingredients at once. Give your skin time to adjust. Introduce one product, observe how your skin reacts for 2 to 3 weeks, and then decide if you want to add another. Skincare is a relationship, not a race. And about layering, that's another area that confuses many people. The general rule is go from thinnest to thickest texture. After cleansing, apply toner or essence if you use one, then your serum, then moisturizer. If you use more than one serum, apply the water-based one first, like vitamin C or hyaluronic acid, and the thicker or oil-based one later. This ensures maximum absorption. When you apply your serum, don't just slap it on. Take a few drops on your fingertips, warm it between your hands, and press it gently into your skin. Let it sink in. Feel that moment. Your skin absorbing the goodness, your breath slowing down. You're not just applying skincare, you're practicing self-respect. Now, I want to share a little secret. Your lifestyle is also a treatment for your skin. No serum can outshine good sleep, hydration, and nutrition. When you sleep, your skin enters repair mode. It rebuilds collagen, recovers from UV exposure, and restores balance. So no matter how many products you own, if you're not resting enough or drinking water, your skin will show it. And please, never compare your skin to filtered photos online. Real skin has texture, pores, fine lines. That's completely normal. Treating your skin is not about chasing perfection, it's about restoring harmony. If you ever feel lost choosing products, go back to your basics. One gentle cleanser, one treatment serum, one moisturizer, and one sunscreen. You can build from there.
slowly, as your skin evolves. Treating your skin is a journey, not just about fixing issues, but about learning what your skin loves. Some nights your skin might crave something hydrating and soothing. Other nights it might prefer a break, just simple moisture and rest. The more you pay attention, the more your skin teaches you what it needs. And that brings us to the third and final step, the step that determines whether all your effort pays off or fades away.
Now that your skin is clean and nourished, it's time for the final, most crucial step: protect. This is the step many people underestimate, yet it's the one that decides whether your skincare efforts last or vanish by midday. Protection means shielding your skin from all the external factors that age it, dull it, and weaken it: sunlight, pollution, harsh weather, and even blue light from screens. Let's talk about the most powerful protector your skin has: sunscreen. If you use only one skincare product every morning, let it be sunscreen. It's not just for summer, it's for every single day of the year, even cloudy or rainy days, even if you're sitting indoors by a window. Because UVA rays, the ones responsible for aging, are always there. They penetrate through clouds, through glass, through time. I know many people think sunscreen is optional, or that it's only for when you're outside for long hours, but the truth is, every bit of sunlight your skin absorbs adds up over time. Those fine lines, dark spots, and uneven texture we call aging, most of them are actually signs of sun damage. Using sunscreen daily is like pressing the pause button on premature aging. It's your invisible shield. Now, I also know sunscreen can be tricky: the white cast, the greasiness, the breakouts. The secret is finding one that works for you. If you have oily skin, look for a lightweight gel or fluid sunscreen that mattifies without drying you out. For dry skin, a moisturizing cream formula feels beautiful and adds glow. If you have sensitive skin, try mineral sunscreens with zinc oxide or titanium dioxide. They're gentler and less likely to irritate. Apply it as the last step of your morning routine, after your moisturizer. And don't forget your neck, your ears, your hands. They age too. Use about 2 fingers worth of sunscreen for your face and neck combined. Let it sit for a few minutes before makeup or stepping outside. And yes, you do need to reapply every 2 to 3 hours if you're outdoors and after sweating or swimming. If you're wearing makeup, you can use a setting spray or powder with SPF to top up protection. Think of sunscreen not as an extra step, but as your skin's daily armor. Beyond sunscreen, protect also means supporting your skin from within. Your lifestyle choices, sleep, diet, stress, all form part of your protective routine. Try to get enough rest. That's when your skin repairs itself. Eat colorful foods rich in antioxidants. Berries, leafy greens, nuts, seeds, they help fight free radicals from the inside out. And one more thing, manage your stress. It sounds unrelated, but stress hormones like cortisol can trigger inflammation, acne, and dullness. Simple habits like deep breathing, journaling, or just spending a few quiet minutes with yourself can make a visible difference. When you combine all 3 steps, cleanse, treat, protect, you build more than a routine. You build a relationship with your skin. It's about creating a rhythm that fits your life, not forcing yourself into someone else's skincare trend. So let's bring it all together. You start your day with a gentle cleanse, washing away impurities, making space for new energy. You treat your skin thoughtfully, giving it targeted care through serums or actives that support your unique needs. Then you protect, sealing everything in, keeping your skin strong and resilient against the world. That's it. 3 steps. No overcomplication, no confusion, no overconsumption. Just a simple, meaningful ritual that helps you connect with yourself every single day. And as you do this consistently, something beautiful happens. You start noticing your skin becoming calmer, clearer, more radiant. But even more importantly, you start noticing yourself, the small, peaceful moments you create in the process. Skincare becomes your pause in a noisy world, your way of saying, I'm taking care of me.
I always tell people great skin isn't built overnight. It's built day by day with gentle consistency and a little self-love. You might not see dramatic changes in a week, but give it time. Just like plants need steady sunlight and water, your skin thrives with patience. And please, remember that your worth doesn't depend on how flawless your skin looks. Skin goes through phases. We all get breakouts, dull days, hormonal changes. Don't let that discourage you. Take care of your skin because it deserves kindness, not punishment. If you ever feel lost, come back to these 3 steps. Cleanse, treat, protect. That's your compass. You can build your entire skincare journey around them. Maybe one day you'll add exfoliation, masks, or eye creams, and that's great, but these 3 steps will always remain your foundation. They're timeless. Whether you're just starting skincare at 16 or refining your routine at 40, these principles stay the same. And the best part is, when you truly follow them, you don't need to chase glow. Your skin naturally finds it. Because healthy skin doesn't need to be perfect, it just needs to be cared for. So the next time you wash your face, slow down a little. Feel the water on your skin, breathe, and know that this small act is part of something bigger. It's a way of grounding yourself. As you apply your serum, think about what your skin has gone through and how far it's come. As you finish with sunscreen, smile. You're protecting your future self. You don't have to spend hours or thousands of rupees to achieve beautiful skin. You just need the basics and a bit of consistency. So here's my little challenge for you. For the next 4 weeks, commit to these 3 steps every single day. Cleanse, treat, protect, morning and night. Track how your skin feels, not just how it looks, but how it feels. I promise you'll see and feel the difference. And if you're already doing this, I'm proud of you. Keep going, keep listening to your skin, because the glow you're chasing is already within you. These steps just help bring it to the surface. So let's end with this thought. Skincare isn't vanity, it's respect. Respect for your body, your skin, your journey. It's not about hiding flaws, it's about nurturing what's already beautiful. Take care of your skin, and it will take care of you, quietly, faithfully, day after day. Thank you for spending this time with me today. I hope this video helps you understand your skin a little better, and I hope it reminds you that simple routines can create powerful results. If this helped you or made you rethink your skincare routine, do give this video a like. It really supports the channel. And if you're new here, make sure you subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss future skincare guides and glow tips. In the comments, tell me which step you feel your skin needs the most right now. Cleanse, treat, or protect, and I'll reply with some personalized suggestions. Until next time, take a deep breath, be kind to your skin, and remember, you are radiant just as you are.